You know what? This sucks, man. I got hail bouncing off the... What? Seriously? Yeah, man. Oh, shit. I'm getting hit with fucking hail. Damn. Ow. Got hail coming in the truck. Holy crap. Well, I was heading on to the train property here. I think I still will, but I gotta watch my ass. Wow. I need to find some shelter, actually. Woohoo! Alrighty. Just hide back in here, shut my lights out. Oh man, this shit's huge. Really?